There is something hidden in the Bible that most people never notice. Something quiet, subtle, almost invisible, yet incredibly powerful. It's the truth that your birth is not an accident, your timing is not random, and the month you entered this world carries a spiritual signature that few ever understand. Today you are going to see what was always in front of you, but no one taught you to read. The Bible says, "To everything there is a season, a time for every purpose under heaven." This means your life is woven into divine timing. You were born in a specific month, in a specific season, with a specific assignment. Your arrival aligned perfectly with what the spiritual world needed at that moment, and your birth month carries clues about who you truly are. Each biblical season represents a spiritual energy, a purpose, and a type of chosen soul. Some are born in months of war, some in months of revelation, some in months of harvest, and some in months of transition. But the chosen ones, the awakened ones, feel this truth deeply. They were born at a time that mirrors their internal mission. If you were born in a month linked to planting and beginnings, you are a builder. A starter, someone sent to break cycles and open roads for others. The Bible calls these people foundation layers. They carry the energy of Abraham, people who begin journeys no one before them had the courage to start. If you were born in a month tied to storms, transition, or spiritual battles, then you are a warrior. You carry the spirit of David. You were born into a season of conflict because your soul came prepared. People like you don't break easily. You were shaped to confront what others run away from. Your birth month reveals the fire inside you. If your birth month rests in the period of light, revelation, or divine clarity, then you are a messenger, a voice, someone born to bring truth where there is confusion. People like you carry the energy of John the Baptist, those who prepare the way, those who wake others from spiritual sleep. And if your birth month falls in seasons of harvest, abundance, or completion, then you are a restorer, someone who brings balance where there is chaos, healing where there is pain, and alignment where there is disorder. You carry the essence of Joseph, someone destined to lift others, multiply blessings, and heal generational wounds. The Bible shows that God's movements are never random. Every birth aligns with a cycle of spiritual activity. Moses was born under a season of oppression because he came to break it. Samuel was born during silence because he came to restore God's voice. Jesus was born during a census, a moment of counting and registration, because his arrival would redefine every destiny. Your month of birth is a spiritual timestamp, a reminder of what God placed inside you before you even opened your eyes. The moment you entered this world matched the assignment your soul carried. And if you've always felt different, heavier, deeper, more intuitive, more sensitive, or simply disconnected from the world, it's because chosen souls rarely arrive in ordinary seasons. Your birth month also reveals the type of spiritual training you would experience. Some souls are born in winter, so they learn resilience. Some in spring to learn rebirth. Some in summer to learn intensity. And others in autumn to learn letting go. These patterns shape your temperament, your struggles, and your strengths. But here is the part no one ever told you. The enemy attacks the area connected to your birth season. If you were born under a month of beginnings, life tries to stop you from starting. If you were born in a season of revelation, the enemy tries to confuse you. If your destiny is tied to abundance, life tries to make you fear lack. If your purpose is restoration, you are tested through relationships and emotional battles. The resistance you faced is not random, it is confirmation. Your birth month reveals the battlefield assigned to your purpose and the gifts hidden inside you to overcome it. And now that you see this truth, something powerful begins. You reconnect with your divine identity. You realize you were never out of place. You were never late. You were never unprepared. Everything about your timing was intentional. You arrived exactly when your soul was meant to arrive. The Bible says that before you were formed, God knew you. Before you were born, He set you apart. Your month is the chapter where your earthly story begins. But your spiritual story didn't start there. It started long before, and your timing was chosen, not accidental. So today, let this truth sink deeply into your spirit. Your birth month is a message, a reminder, a spiritual signature revealing what you came to do in this lifetime. And once you understand that, you no longer walk like someone lost. You walk like someone sent. Motivation you need, where your awareness expands and your soul finds direction.